Imagine this. You're high above Shanghai. The wind whispers past. Below, a symphony of life unfolds. Skyscrapers pierce the clouds. The Huangpu River shimmers like a ribbon of silver. This is Shanghai from a drone's eye view, a breathtaking spectacle of modernity and tradition. From this vantage point, the city's energy is palpable. Cars stream along elevated highways, boats crisscross the busy river. The air hums with the constant motion of millions of lives intersecting. It's a sight that leaves you breathless, a glimpse into the beating heart of one of the world's most dynamic cities. Our first stop is the Bund, a place where the past and the present coexist in a harmonious blend. This iconic waterfront promenade stretches along the Huangpu River, offering breathtaking views and a sense of timelessness. It's a captivating blend of architectural styles, from neoclassical to Art Deco, each building telling its own unique story. Grand colonial-era buildings stand as reminders of Shanghai's past as a bustling international port where traders from around the world once converged. Across the river, futuristic skyscrapers rise, showcasing the city's economic prowess and its rapid development over the past few decades. Walking along the Bund is like stepping back in time, yet with every step, you are reminded of the city's relentless march towards the future. You can almost hear the echoes of traders from all corners of the globe, their voices carried by the winds of history. The air is thick with history, a testament to Shanghai's legacy as a global crossroads where East meets West in a vibrant cultural exchange. Yet the modern skyline reminds us that Shanghai is not stuck in the past. It is a city that embraces change and innovation. It is a city constantly pushing boundaries, reinventing itself for the future. The Bund is a perfect example of this dynamic interplay between history and modernity, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to understand the soul of Shanghai. Let's leave the bustling Bund behind. The Bund, with its modern skyscrapers and colonial-era buildings, is a symbol of Shanghai's rapid development and rich history. But today, we seek a different kind of experience, one that takes us back in time. We'll journey to the heart of old Shanghai U-Garden. Nestled in the city's old town, U-Garden offers a stark contrast to the modernity of the Bund. This garden, with its classical Chinese architecture and serene ambiance, is a window into the past. This classical Chinese garden is an oasis of tranquility amidst the urban chaos. Built during the Ming Dynasty, U-Garden spans over 5 acres and is a masterpiece of traditional Chinese landscaping. Its name, which means Garden of Happiness, truly reflects the joy and peace it brings to its visitors. Step through its ancient walls and you'll be transported to another world. The garden's design is a harmonious blend of natural elements and man-made structures, creating a perfect balance that is both aesthetically pleasing and spiritually uplifting. Intricate pathways wind through lush greenery. These paths, lined with ancient trees and vibrant flowers, lead you to hidden corners and secluded spots, each offering a unique perspective of the garden's beauty. Koi ponds shimmer in the sunlight. The ponds, filled with colorful koi fish, are a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. Watching the fish swim gracefully in the clear water is a meditative experience that calms the mind and soothes the soul. Traditional pavilions offer respite from the city's heat. These pavilions, with their intricate woodwork and elegant design, provide a cool and shaded retreat where you can sit and reflect, enjoying the serene surroundings. The air is filled with the scent of blossoms and the gentle sound of flowing water. The garden's numerous water features, including streams, waterfalls, and ponds, create a soothing soundtrack that enhances the overall sense of tranquility. Time seems to slow down here. In U-Garden, the hustle and bustle of modern life fade away, replaced by a timeless serenity that allows you to fully immerse yourself in the present moment. You can easily lose yourself in the beauty and serenity of this timeless sanctuary. Whether you're exploring its winding paths, admiring its architectural marvels, or simply sitting by a pond, U-Garden offers a peaceful escape that rejuvenates the spirit and inspires the soul. Our drone now ascends. We're heading for the iconic symbol of modern Shanghai, the Oriental Pearl Tower. This futuristic structure dominates the skyline, its sleek curves rising high above the city. As we climb, the panoramic views become ever more breathtaking. From the top, Shanghai stretches out before you like a giant, intricate tapestry. The Huangpu River winds its way through the city, separating the historic buildings of Puxi from the modern skyscrapers of Pudong. The sheer scale of the city is awe-inspiring. It's a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Our drone descends. We're gliding through the narrow alleyways of an old Shanghai neighborhood. These Lilong neighborhoods are a fascinating blend of traditional Chinese architecture and modern life. Clothes hang out to dry on bamboo poles strung between buildings. Children play in the narrow lanes. The aroma of street food wafts from small restaurants. Life here is lived out in close proximity. It's a stark contrast to the soaring skyscrapers just a few blocks away. And yet, both coexist, each contributing to the unique fabric of Shanghai. Section 6. A symphony of light and water, the Bund at night. The sun begins to set. The sky erupts in a blaze of color. Our drone returns to the Bund. But now it takes on a whole new persona. As darkness falls, the city lights up. The buildings along the Bund glow with an ethereal beauty. Their reflections shimmer on the water's surface. Across the river, the skyscrapers of Pudong put on a dazzling light show. It's a magical transformation, a testament to the city's vibrant energy that never sleeps. Section 7. Beyond the icons, exploring Shanghai's hidden gems. Our drone ventures beyond the well-trodden tourist path. Shanghai is a city of hidden gems. Tucked away in quiet corners are charming tea houses, bustling street markets, and serene temples. Explore the French Concession with its leafy streets and European-style architecture. Wander through the M50 Art District, home to cutting-edge galleries and studios. Get lost in the labyrinthine alleys of Tianzifang, filled with quirky boutiques and cafes. Shanghai reveals its secrets to those who are willing to venture off the beaten path. Section 8. A city that captivates the senses. Shanghai is a feast for the senses. From the moment you step into this vibrant metropolis, you are greeted by a symphony of sights, sounds, and smells that are uniquely its own. The city pulses with an energy that is both exhilarating and overwhelming, drawing you into its embrace. The aroma of spices from street food stalls mingles with the scent of flowers in ancient gardens. As you wander through the bustling markets, the rich, savory smells of traditional Chinese cuisine waft through the air, tempting your taste buds with promises of culinary delights. Meanwhile, the delicate fragrance of blooming flowers in places like Yuyuan Garden offers a serene counterpoint to the urban hustle. The cacophony of traffic is punctuated by the melodic strains of traditional Chinese music. The honking of car horns and the chatter of pedestrians create a lively urban soundtrack. But listen closely, and you'll hear the gentle notes of a guzheng, or the haunting melody of an erhu, adding a layer of cultural richness to the city's soundscape. The city is a riot of color, sound, and scent, an intoxicating blend of ancient and modern. As night falls, Shanghai transforms into a dazzling display of neon lights and illuminated skyscrapers, each building a testament to the city's rapid modernization. Yet amidst the modernity, pockets of history remain, with traditional architecture and ancient temples standing as silent witnesses to the passage of time. It's a city that stays with you long after you've left. The memories of Shanghai linger, a vivid tapestry of experiences that are hard to forget. Whether it's the taste of a perfectly cooked dumpling, the sight of the city skyline at sunset, or the sound of traditional music drifting through the air, these moments become etched in your mind. The memories of its soaring skyline, its tranquil gardens, and its bustling streets linger in your mind, a reminder of the unique magic that is Shanghai. This city, with its blend of the old and the new, the serene and the chaotic, offers an experience that is both deeply personal and universally captivating. Shanghai is not just a place you visit, it's a place that becomes a part of you, leaving an indelible mark on your soul. Section 9. Come, lose yourself in Shanghai. Our drone tour of Shanghai has come to an end, but the real journey begins when you experience it for yourself. Lose yourself in the city's energy, discover its hidden gems, embrace the contrast of old and new. Shanghai is a city that will challenge your perceptions, captivate your senses, and stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Come, experience the magic. Come, lose yourself in Shanghai.